Attribute selectors genuinely target real elements based on an actual HTML attribute's presence or value. In this video, you'll use several real attribute selectors. This real selector genuinely targets only inputs with type is equal to email specifically, not every actual input. This real selector genuinely targets links with target is equal to _blank specifically, useful for actually styling external links distinctly. Is equal to genuinely means starts with this real selector targets links whose href actually begins with HTTPS. Other is equal to value genuinely targets an exact attribute value. Other is equal to value genuinely means the attribute starts with that value. Attribute selectors genuinely avoid needing extra real classes. Style every real external link, target is equal to _blank with a distinct color. Ready to style real form inputs, buttons, and their focus states.